is ready.
Mine.
Oh, it came up as not ready, but you know it always
Shroud.
does.
That is pretty weird.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's a nice macro
Lust.
you got there.
This shit is gonna phase so quick. Lust, thank you.
3,
Fragments, Moon, Dispel, Forecast, not yet. Hold. Go over there. Dispel the melee first. Get parry. Get Veno.
Please kick Signy.
Signy D's nuts.
Dude, every fucking week I cannot not laugh.
Is there a reason I have a star above my head?
You're the star of the show, baby.
Bring
we
that
love
in
you.
unless you're gonna... Oh, you're good. We're running for this. We also get fragments. I marked New Moon. Dispel Cur. Oh, dead memes. Careful.
More on
Get
Kyra?
dead memes. Nice. Running in for this.
3, 2, 1.
Not gonna matter too much, but more on Kyra. When we run, we'll run to X. We still have a lot of time. New fragments will go to Moon. I just marked it behind bosses.
3, 2, 1.
Dispel Silver. Dispel Natova.
When is shield?
Timers are going to be a little different because we're doing this in a different order. I think we get one more fragment, and I marked a New Moon. It is not along the edge.
1.
Four corners.
3, 2, 1.
Fragments are coming out. Shield is right now. Let's bring fragments to the Moon I just marked since we have to move, and then bosses will go to X, Cur, Rally. Dispel for... Okay, we're good. Dispel Veno. Good.
Beware.
Four corners, parry rally, and okay, we have AM going, we're good. Use a health pot if you need to here. We're going in, let's get Cur up.
2, 1.
New Moon is behind the boss, we're going into this. Do fragments after, stay. Make sure to get Pam here. Good. Mechanics are coming, get ready to play the game.
Beware.
We're dodging Remornia, and we're going to be running away. Stack Meteor on the boss, Boar, Link.
2, 1. Beware.
This will go off, and then we'll just run, get out. Fragments behind Boss Moon.
Beware.
Parry rally here. Good AMZ. Get silver. Good. We're going to be going in just a second.
Do we have a shield coming up soon?
We will. We're going to move it to X. We have a little bit until the shield, though. We're going in here.
3, 2, 1.
We have fragments coming up. It's going to be Moon. One of the next 3 sets will be Sack. Fragments quick.
How long in the shield?
I don't have a timer right now.
Okay.
Wow, that was so fucking quick. Okay, we have 4 corner soaks coming up. Missing one. Good.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Hunt main is turtling. We're good. I think we're going to have shield in just a second.
3, 2.
Keep the fragments up. Don't dispel them. Just hit the boss. Drop a link on the boss. We do need 4 corners, though. We do need 4 corners. Nice. Wow, good job, healers. That was fucking crazy.